Today's post notification shout out goes out to Alia Clark. You can go over her TikTok and follow her at Queen Alibu 123. What's up, guys? It's D to the E to the K to the I to the O to the E to the O. Oh my god, I can't spell. What's up, guys? It's D to the E to the K to the I to the B to the O to the O, and I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, I will be answering assumptions about me, assumptions my subscribers made about me. Yes, so if you're new, please subscribe, turn on our post notification bell so that you can be notified when I drop a video. And you can also go over my Instagram, that's DEKIBOO_87_. Yes, so first assumption is, oh wait, I want to give a shout out to Official Volcano TV. Yes, go and subscribe to his channel, and also A Cup of Tea. Yeah. So first assumption, you're kind of boring. So you see, when I first got that message, when I asked her, like, give me assumptions about me, and I got that message, I was like, sorry, I was like, yeah, that's my reaction. But when I looked into it, the person who made this comment, he is not in my age group, and I realized that people will say you're boring because they're not interested in the things that you do. There are other people who really like what you do, like what I do. Yeah, there are other people that like it, but some persons won't like it, and that's okay. That's their opinion, and yeah. Just because someone doesn't do what you like them to do doesn't mean that they're boring, or you know. The next thing is, I'm assuming that you're a loyal and loving person, and that you're a rude gal when you want to be. Well, loving, I only love people who I love. If that makes sense. I only love people who I choose to love. And yes, I am a loyal person, I'm down to earth, but rude gal, I was a rude gal. I'm not the rude gal no more. Yes, so you will look good in a YouTube couples channel. Well, that is an opinion. It's not really an assumption, but yeah, an opinion. And not everything glitter is gold. That me want to tell you. So me will look good in a YouTube couples channel. Yes, I know, but it's not everything glitter is gold, and it's not everything that are out there I want. I know that having a single YouTube channel, sometimes it gets boring, and ideas are not flowing as usual, or maybe people won't like to see one person. They like to see drama and everything, brighter and everything. But yeah, and not everything glitter is gold, as I said before. Next up, I thought you were always a supermodel. I asked what, and then I asked what they mean by that. The person said, to how you look like a female that model. Oh, thank you. If you believe that's true, comment below. Comment below, do I look like a supermodel? Alright, you look nice, but you seem boring. Why people keep telling me that I'm boring? I'm boring. You know, sometimes I feel like I'm boring for real, because I don't go out. Yeah, I'm just in my yard when I work, school, yard. Yeah, but why I'm boring is because, like, you're not. I don't waste money. I don't like to waste money, and Corona go on now, so extra boring, more than nobody boring before. Yeah, so next one. You look like a nerdy. You look a bit nerdy in your glasses. Oh wait, guys, I'm gonna put on my glasses and I'm gonna tell me if you look a bit nerdy in my glasses. Be right back, okay? Do I look nerdy to you? Okay, thanks, I guess. Yeah, is that a good or a bad thing? Well, everyone is gonna look nerdy in their glasses, of course, because they're nerd people wear glasses. Oh my god.
Julian.
Hold up, guys. Trudy and your madman come to you. Trudy?
Yeah.
Alright. Next one now. You are really shy and maybe the goofy friend out of all your friends. That is so true. I like to goof around, make jokes and everything. Yeah, I am shy. Yeah, I'm a shy person. Wait, I'm not shy. I was shy, but now I'm not shy. So yeah, but I'm goofy. Yeah. So that's just it, I guess. Well, I had some more. I'm gonna look for them and then draw back to them, and then I'm gonna pause the video so that I can find. Yeah. Sadly, I don't find anymore. One person said they have no assumptions about me, and that's good. They don't assume anything, and assuming things about people before you even meet them wrongfully, if you're assuming something bad, that's judgmental. But I try to find the good out of people before I see the bad, isn't it? So if I see a person on the road and they come up to me and they approach me, that's how I am going to respond or think about them. But I'm not gonna think negative about them at first. I will just try and see, because sometimes you see people and they're not actually what they seem. Yes, so this YouTube channel that I've created will make you know more about me as a person and know my personality, because yeah, you can't just see and judge. You have to experience or talk to a person, or communicate with them so that you can see their actual self. Yes, so if you didn't get a chance to message me, you can just comment below your assumptions about me, and I will respond to them in the comment section. So guys, that was the end of my video. Thank you all for watching, and if you made it to the end, say I made it to the end, so that I can know that you made it to the end. So guys, yeah, see you in the next video. Bye. Remember to go over my Instagram and follow me. Yes, I'm trying to hit the 5K. I'm at 2K and I want to reach 5K, at least 5K on Instagram. So if you see this, please go and follow my Instagram. Thank you for watching.